So I'm going to be installing this truck bed cover. There's the part number. We'll see if it works. Sky, you think it's going to work? There's the cover. Hopefully there's some instructions. We'll find out. Looks like this is the hardware. It's all nice and dry. Okay, so we gotta install these guys. There are these little clips for this side here, and they're supposed to go right here. There's pre-drilled holes. We just have to install them and bolt them down with these little provided hex heads here. So that's what I'm doing right now. That's casing. Alright, they provide you with a little tool, but I want to go grab one of these bad boys, make it a little easier. Looks like it's a 3mm for those little Allen heads there. Alright. Looks about good. Let's tie it down here. Cool. To the other side. Pretty good. I need to install these little wing nuts. Add a little wing nut, clamped it down. Same thing over there. And latch down, I'm assuming. So. Think like this. That looks right. Cool. This way. I'm gonna install the rubbers here because this one doesn't have them in the slot. There's usually a little rubber piece here. So what I did, I just went in, folded it up a little bit there. Now it's in the slot. Okay. Let's get this in here. All right. A little bit more. Feels pretty good. There we go. Cool. Now we can fold the last section up. Right here. Looks like it fits pretty well. Go ahead and adjust these last clamps. Okay, there it is, fully installed. Alright, it took about an hour to install, not too bad.